Hello, my name is Albert. I want to tell you about the trip I made to Madrid, Spain. Okay, to start, I want to tell you that I went to Madrid to graduate from my master degree in local development. The trip was organized by a specialized agency. I took the opportunity to visit tourist sites. The photos and video were recorded by my colleague. If I buy a camera next time, I will have a new hobby. I love to discover new places. If I had the chance, I would travel to a new country every year. My problem when traveling abroad is the food. If I had known, I would not have traveled so far the first time. I made the trip from Colombia with Andres, a university classmate, and he said he had no problem with the food in the other countries. He said he liked Runheim. He said he would visit London the following vacation. Good night. Thanks.